Hey guys, welcome back to LAN app. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use Microsoft Authenticator app. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. In this case, you might be wondering, how do you start using the Microsoft Authenticator app here? Well, in this case, using it is pretty easy. So in this case, by the way, I'm using the emulator here, BlueStacks, to show you what the Microsoft Authenticator would look like. Because typically it's blocked on your phone. If you try recording it, it's just going to show a black screen because, again, the Microsoft Authenticator app here is quite secure, so you won't be able to see anything. But just to give you an example here, I'm recording on my PC. But in this case, how do we start using? So the first thing you want to do here is you want to be familiarized with how it's actually set up. So generally, you have the following options that you can add. So first, the authenticator here, which in this case allows you to basically add authenticators if you want to add two-factor authenticator on your accounts. Like for example, if you want to add a two-factor authenticator on your Facebook account, you can do this via the Microsoft Authenticator. Now, if you go to passwords here, it actually allows you to basically enable biometrics, or in this case, a PIN, which in this case, this will actually autofill data for you. Now, in this case, if you want to save your passwords here, this is a great way for you to do that. Now, if you go to payments, this actually allows you to basically add payment methods into your account. Also, we have our addresses section, which in this case, this allows you to add different addresses. And also, if you want to add your IDs, you should be able to do it via the verified ID section. In this case, you go and click on scan a QR code here if you want to get started. But in this case, as you can see, whenever we access the following pages here, you get the enable biometrics or PIN option here, which in this case, app lock is actually disabled in my device. Now, in order for you to start using these features, you need to have it enabled. Typically, you just need to click on the three-dot icon at the top right here, go to settings, and typically when you scroll down, you should be able to see security. And as you can see, since app lock is disabled, this will actually disable some of the features for me. Now, if this is the case for you and you could actually turn this on, you can go ahead and do that, and from then on, you should be able to use the other features. But we want to focus here on the authenticator. Now, how do we start using the authenticator? Well, in order for you to start using the authenticator, what we need to do is we need to add our authenticators. Now, you have two options to add in adding your authenticator, either the plus button at the top right or the QR code option. Now, if you click on the QR code option, this allows you to basically scan a QR code for your account if you want to, which enables you to just scan a QR code and easily connect your account. Now, if you want to do this manually, you could go and click on the plus button, and from then on, you could choose what account you want to add. Like for example, if you want to use a personal account, either work or school account, or your other accounts here like Google and Facebook, you can go and choose those. And from then on, you can go and click on enter code manually, and you just need to enter the account name and secret key. Now, typically, you can see this on your account settings. So just give you an idea here, I'm currently in my account center for my Facebook account. If you don't know how to get here, just go to your Facebook account here, go to your settings, and from here on, what we need to do is we need to access our security. So let's go and click on our see more in account center. Now from here, what we need to do is we need to go to password and security. From here, choose two-factor authenticator. And from here, choose the Facebook account. Well, what we need to do next is we need to configure it. Now in this case, you first need to enter the code that you'll be receiving on your email. So if this is the first time that you're accessing two-factor authentication, it should give you the option to turn this on. But since I've already using it, it's going to give me different options here. Now in this case, let's go and choose the add a backup method, which in this case allows us to add an authentication app. Let's go and select this one. Now from here, it's going to give you detailed information. In this case, the first thing you want to do is you want to copy your key here. Let's go and copy this one, go back into our device here, and you want to go ahead and add your keys. In this case, you could go ahead and type this manually and basically add your account name. And once you've actually added all the details here and click on the finish option, this will actually allow you to basically start using your account for two-factor authentication, which in this case, when you go back to the main page here and basically access one of your accounts, you should be able to see your one-time passcode here and basically use or secure your account further. Now in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to LAN app. Thank you for watching.